I'm going to go over an item here that would be great for anyone that's just worried about their privacy, whether it's someone trying to track with a GPS tracker or using some Wi-Fi that's not supposed to be around, or a camera. Great for someone also that would like to be a private detective or something like that. Let me just show you what you get, and let's open it up here. This thing is actually really cool. It's got infrared scanning technology, camera detection, magnetic detection, anti-theft alarm, and LED light on it. And let me show you. This is by the company MINICOAST. You get a little set of instructions. And then I went over these instructions and I used this thing to verify that it does work, and everything on it seemed to work really well. You get it right here, and it comes with a charging. The case is really nice with it too. It comes with a USB-C charging cable. We'll put the case aside right there. Hold this down and that'll come on. Open it up here, you know, you got that little piece right there. Turn it on. I don't know how well you can see it right there. So right now it's a light. If I want to hit it right there, you get a good light, and this would be good for looking behind things or something like that. And to turn the light on, you just go off and on right there. It's got a battery percentage on it. Going over here, it's got like a buzzer, and the buzzer gives you, it's like a buzzer and a shake to test. That's kind of like an anti-theft alarm. So you can put this somewhere, and then if whatever gets moved around, it will start going off. So now you got your camera detection. And what this only sees when it's in a dark room. So if you really need to find a camera, you need to turn off all the lights, and this will show you the night vision of any type of like camera device that's recording. So that works really well too. You got a slow speed, a fast speed, and you can kind of see, you look through there and you'll see it. The IR laser will detect any type of laser coming off a camera right there. So the best thing about this the RF detector, so you see right here, watch when I put it around my phone. So that's what a cell phone does. It just kind of like kicks out Wi-Fi. Hear what it's doing right there? So you'd be able to find like where Wi-Fi is coming from. How cool is that? If somebody had a Wi-Fi camera that was remotely, that's where that would come in really handy. Because a lot of like people that put hidden cameras, they would put them somewhere, but it's sending out a Wi-Fi signal that would pick up. And then the last one is the magnetic detection. And what this does, this is a magnet. So feel how that would pick up if somebody put a magnetic, like if I stuck like a little tracking device, I would be able to find out where it's coming from. I would just rub this around like a vehicle. Two of the main features that I think I would use the most with this thing is the RF detect, the IR detector, and the magnetic detector. And then you know what? Just your normal little flashlight that's actually pretty bright. I think this is great for anybody that's just worried about their privacy, whether you're staying at like a hotel, Airbnb, or something like that. You could just run this around real quick, and one of the things you might find, you'll find a remote Wi-Fi camera hidden somewhere in like a clock or maybe a wall or somewhere like that. So yeah, this is something I highly recommend for anyone that might be doing any type of security work or just need to kind of like have that extra feeling of privacy. So that's all I got today, everybody, on the MINICOAST MAX 12. See y'all in the next video. Woo!